Hello guys, welcome to this session. Today we are going to discuss MCQs on religion and philosophy. In this session we will cover up only 35 plus MCQs and the remaining question we will cover up in the upcoming session of Indian art and culture. So stay tuned with this channel guys, and if anyone is listening the channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start our session with the first question. Your question is, who is the propounder of yoga philosophy? A option is Kapil, B is Gautam, C option is Patanjali, and D option is Jaimini. So right answer is option C, that is Patanjali. Guys, the next question is, who was the founder of the Ajivika sect? A option is Upali, B is Anand, C option is Makali Goshala, and D option is Raghulo Bandra. So right answer is option C, that is Makali Goshala or Gosala Makali Puta, and he is one of the friend of Vardhaman Mahavir. Next question is, according to the Jain philosophy, the creation and main penance of the world has been by the A option is universal law, B is universal truth, C option is universal fate, and D option is universal soul. So right answer is option A, that is universal law. Next question is, who was the first Acharya to provide a philosophical base to Bhakti? A option is Ramanuj, B is Shankaracharya, C option is Madhvacharya, and D option is Vallabhacharya. So right answer is option A, that is Ramanuja. Next question is, Anekantavad is the fundamental principle and philosophy of A option is Buddhism, B is Jainism, C option is Sikhism, and D option is Vaishnavism. So right answer is option B, that is Jainism. Next question is, the place of worship of the Jews is called A option is Fire Temple, B is Singapore, C option is Mazar, and D option is Church. So right answer is option C, that is Mazar. Next question is, the holy scripture of the Jews is called A option is the Quran, B is the Hadith, C option is the Zend Avesta, and D option is the Torah. So right answer is option D, the Torah. Next question is, the place of worship of the Parsis is A option is Singapore, B is fire, C option is Vihara, and D option is Mazar. So right answer is option D, that is the worship place of Parsis is called as Fire Temple. Next question is, the holy scripture of the Parsis is A option is the Torah, B is the Hadith, C option is Zend Avesta, and D option is the Quran. So right answer is option C, that is Zend Avesta. Next question is, which of the following pairs is not matched correctly? Here some of the monastery is given and you have to tell that which monastery is located in which state. So your first option is Tawang Monastery is in Arunachal Pradesh, B is Hemis Monastery in Jammu and Kashmir, D option is Shashur Monastery in Himachal Pradesh, and D is Ghum Monastery in Sikkim. So the incorrect pair is option D, that is Ghum Monastery, which is in Darjeeling, West Bengal. Next question is, which of the following is common between Buddhism and Jainism? A option is Ahimsa, B is Hinsa, C option is Triratna, and D option is Satya. So right answer is option A, that is Ahimsa. Ahimsa means non-violence. Next question is, the religion whose glory is the Triratnas. Triratna means correct conception, correct character and correct knowledge. So आपको बताना है जो त्रिरत्ना है वो किस रिलीजन से जो है रिलेट करता है. So A option is Buddhism, B is Christianity, C option is Jainism, and D option is none of the above. So right answer is option C, that is Jainism. Next question is, Ashtangika Marg, that is the eightfold path, is associated with which religion? A option is Jainism, B is Buddhism, C option is Shaivism, and D option is Hinduism. So right answer is option B, that is Buddhism. Next question is, the source of the Buddha's eightfold path is A option is Taittiriya Upanishad, B is Chandogya Upanishad, C option is Jabalo Upanishad, and D option is Brihad Aryanka Upanishad. So right answer is option A, that is Taittiriya Upanishad. Next question is, which of the following is not included in the eightfold path of Buddhism? Your A option is right speech, B is right thought, C option is right intention, and D option is right conduct. So right answer is option C, that is right intention. So what are these eightfold paths? So it is right understanding, right thoughts, third one is a right speech, right action, right livelihood, right efforts, right mindfulness, and the last one is the right concentration. Next question is, which is the initial branch of Indian philosophy? A option is Sankhya, B is Mimamsa, C option is Vaisheshika, and D option is Charvaka. So right answer is option A, that is Sankhya. Listen guys, there are mainly 6 system of philosophy which are called as शत दर्शनास. और ये 6 फिलोसफी कौन कौन सी हैं? सो न्याय, संख्या, योगा, वैशेषिका, पूर्व मीमांसा एंड उत्तर मीमांसा। उत्तर मीमांसा को जो है वेदांत फिलॉसफी भी कहा जाता है, जिसको कि फर्दर डिवाइड किया गया है 6 सब कैटेगरी में, जिसको हम अभी आगे स्टडी करेंगे। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सांख्या फिलॉसफी हैज बीन प्रोपाउंडेड बाय। जो सांख्या फिलॉसफी थी उसको किसने दिया था, किसने उसका जो है थ्योरी दी थी, किसने उसको अडॉप्ट किया था? यो ए ऑप्शन इज गौतमा, बी इज जैमिनी, सी ऑप्शन इज कपिला एंड डी ऑप्शन इज पतंजलि। सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज कपिला। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच फिलॉसफी इज महर्षि गौतम एसोसिएटेड विद। गौतम मुनि ने जो है कौन सी फिलॉसफी दी थी? योर ए ऑप्शन इज संख्या, बी इज योगा, सी ऑप्शन इज न्याय एंड डी ऑप्शन इज वैशेषिका। सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज न्याय फिलॉसफी। सो हियर आई मेंशन्ड ऑल द 6 सिस्टम ऑफ फिलॉसफी। तो यहाँ से आप देख सकते हो कि कौन सी फिलॉसफी जो है कौन से सेग ने दी थी। दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट गाइज, आप इसको नोट डाउन करके रख लीजिए या इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए। राइट, जो ओल्डेस्ट फिलोसफिकल सिस्टम था वो था सांख्या फिलोसफी which was given by the Kapila, right? Next question is which Upanishad mentions Krishna for the first time as the son of Devaki and the disciple of Angira? A option is Brihad Aryanka Upanishad, B is Kathopanishad, C option is Chandogya Upanishad, and D option is Taittiriya Upanishad. So right answer is option C, that is Chandogya Upanishad. लिसन गाइस, टोटल उपनिषद जो है 108 हैं एंड द लार्जेस्ट उपनिषद वाज द बृहद अयंका उपनिषद। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द फेमस डायलॉग बिटवीन नचिकेता एंड यामा इज मेंशन्ड इन। ए ऑप्शन इज छंदोग्य उपनिषद, बी इज मुडंका उपनिषद, सी ऑप्शन इज कथोपनिषद एंड डी ऑप्शन इज कीनो उपनिषद। सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज कथो उपनिषद। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेजेस ऑफ लाइफ। फर्स्ट वन इज द गृहस्थ, second is the brahmacharya, that is celibacy, third one is the vanprastha, fourth is the sannyasi. And what is their correct order in the person's life? So right answer is option B, that is सबसे पहले होता है brahmacharya, then grihast, after that vanprasth and last में आता है sannyasi, right? Next question is the 4 ashramas, that is the stages of life are first mentioned in। कौन से उपनिषद में जो है इन स्टेजेस का हमें मेंशन मिलता है? सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज छंदोग्य उपनिषद, बी इज तैत्तरीय उपनिषद, सी ऑप्शन इज बृहद अरण्यका उपनिषद एंड डी ऑप्शन इज जबलो उपनिषद। सो राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज जबलो उपनिषद। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु फाउंडेड द फिलोसफी ऑफ पुष्टि मार्ग। ए ऑप्शन इज चैतन्य, बी इज नानक, सी ऑप्शन इज सूरदास एंड डी ऑप्शन इज वल्लभाचार्य। सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज वल्लभाचार्य। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पुराणास इज। A option is 12, B is 16, C option is 18 and D option is 20. So right answer is option C, that is 18. Total number of Purana is 18 and the oldest Purana is Matsya Puran. Okay. Next question is the source of the 10 incarnation of Vishnu is. A option is Bhagavad Puran, B is Matsya Puran, C option is Vishnu Puran and D option is Markandeya Puran. So right answer is option B, that is Matsya Puran. Next question is the total number of Vedangas is. A option is 5, B is 11, C option is 6 and D option is 4. So total number of Vedangas is 6, that is option C is the right answer. Next question is the famous Jain center in South India is situated at. A option is Shravanbelgola, B is Rameshwaram, C option is Kanchi and D option is Madurai. So right answer is option A, that is Shravanbelgola in Karnataka. Next question is who is regarded as the propounder of the Shunyavada. A option is Maitreyanath, B is Madhvacharya, C option is Ramanuj and D option is Nagarjuna. So right answer is option D, that is Nagarjuna. Next question is the term Anuvrata is associated with. A option is Mahayana Buddhism, B option is Hinayana Buddhism, C option is Jainism and D option is Lokayata philosophy. So right answer is option C, that is Anuvrata is associated with the religion, that is Jainism. Next question is who among the following founded the Brahmo Samaj. A option is Dayanand Saraswati, B is Keshav Chandra Sen, C option is Swami Vivekanand and D option is Rajaram Mohan Roy. So right answer आएगा option D, that is Brahmo Samaj founded by the Rajaram Mohan Roy in the year 1828. Next question is Adi Shankara, later known as Shankaracharya, was born in. A option is Kashmir, B is Kerala, C is Andhra Pradesh and D option is West Bengal. So right answer is option B, that is Kerala. Next question is which of the following theories was propounded by Shankaracharya. A option is Dvaitism, B is Dvait Advait, C option is Vishisht Advait and D option is Advait Vedanta. So right answer is option D, that is Advait Vedanta. Listen guys, I told you earlier देयर आर 6 फिलोसफिकल सिस्टम, जो कि उत्तर मीमांसा फिलोसफी थी. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज वेदांता फिलोसफी. इसकी जो टीचिंग थी वो मेनली फोकस थी उपनिषद के ऊपर, जिसको कि फर्दर कैटेगराइज किया गया है 6 सब स्कूल या 6 फिलोसफी और थ्योरीज में. जो अद्वैत थ्योरी थी इसको दिया गया था आदि शंकराचार्य के द्वारा. विशिष्ट अद्वैत फिलोसफी वॉज गिवन बाय रामानुजा, द्वैत फिलोसफी गिवन बाय माधवाचार्य, द्वैत अद्वैत गिवन बाय निम्बकाचार्य, एंड शुद्ध अद्वैत गिवन बाय वल्लभाचार्य, एंड अचिंत्य भेद अभेदा गिवन बाय द चैतन्य महाप्रभु. इसको वाइज आप नोट डाउन कर लीजिए या स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रख लीजिए. इस पे क्वेश्चन बनता है एग्जाम में और इसमें कंफ्यूजन भी बहुत क्रिएट होता है, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द्वैत अद्वैत थ्योरी इज propounded by your A option is Shankaracharya, B is Ramanujaचार्य, C option is Madhvacharya, and D option is Nimbark Acharya. So right answer आएगा option D, that is Nimbark Acharya. Next question is Ramanujacharya is associated with A option is Advaitism, B is Dvaitism, C option is Vishisht Advaitism, and D option is Monotheism. So right answer is option C, that is Vishisht Advaitism. लिसन गाइज, आपको एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन इसी तरह मिलेगा और फिर इनके ऑप्शंस में कंफ्यूजन रहता है. सो आप इसको अच्छे से एक बार देख लीजिएगा कि कौन सी जो है थ्योरी किस सेग ने दी थी, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु इज द प्रोपाउंडर ऑफ द लोकयाता फिलोसफी. ए ऑप्शन इज कपिल, बी इज बद्रियाना, सी ऑप्शन इज चरवका, एंड डी ऑप्शन इज रामानुजा. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज चरवका. So that's it for today guys. I hope that you love the session. Please give a one thumbs up to video. We will meet soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.